Welcome to the International Accounting. First time joining the program, remember to subscribe to the channel, like, share with everyone. Today we share with you exercises about impairment of asset value. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The company has an operating lease property which is carried at cost. At December 31st, the carrying amount of the property was $400,000, the recoverable amount was $360,000. Due to the impact of the decline in property prices in the area, an impairment loss of $40,000 was recorded. The property is depreciated using the straight-line method over its remaining useful life of 5 years from December 31st, At December 31, N+2, property prices in the area have increased and the recoverable amount of the building has increased to $270,000. The building is measured using the cost model. What is the reversal of the impairment loss? Solution: original carrying amount. If impairment loss never recognized, December 31st, $400,000 minus $400,000 divide 5 multiplied by 2 equals $240,000. Carrying amount at December 31st, N+2, affected by impairment loss, $400,000 minus $40,000, minus $400,000 minus $40,000, divide 5 multiplied by 2, equals $216,000. Recoverable amount at December 31st, N+2, given, equals $270,000, carrying amount at cost equals realized value minus actual value equals $270,000 minus $216,000 equals $54,000. Impairment loss equals original value minus actual value equals $240,000 minus $216,000 equals $24,000. Whichever is smaller. Take the reversed impairment loss of $24,000 and the property value will be increased to $240,000, equals $216,000 plus $24,000. Number 2. At January 1st, N1, a building with a carrying value of $30 billion was estimated to have a recoverable amount of $25 billion due to the impact of falling property prices in the area. An impairment loss of $5 billion was recorded. At January 1st, N6, after 5 years, property prices in the area have increased and the recoverable amount of the building has increased to $23 billion. The building is depreciated using the straight-line method over its remaining life of 20 years from the date of impairment, and its useful life will not change after all of the above events. The building is measured using the historical cost model. What is the reversal of the impairment loss? Solution: plus original carrying amount if the impairment loss has never been recognized. January 1st, N6, $30 minus $30 divide 20 multiplied by 5 equals $22.50 billion. Actual carrying amount as of January 1st, N6, affected by impairment loss, $25 minus $25 divide 20 multiplied by 5 equals $18.75 billion. Recoverable carrying amount as of January 1st, N6, given, equals $23 billion. Recoverable carrying amount is greater than actual carrying amount, so the write-down will be made. However, according to IAS 36, the additional carrying amount due to the write-down is not greater than the original carrying amount before the impairment loss has never been recognized. Realized value minus actual value. $23 minus $18.75 equals $4.25. Original value minus actual value. $22.50 minus $18.75 equals $3.75. Therefore, the impairment loss to be reversed is $3.75 billion and the building value will be increased to $22.5 billion. Number 3. On January 1st, Dragon Company purchased a production line with a purchase price, original cost, $400,000, depreciated on a straight-line basis with an estimated salvage value of 0. Useful life of 8 years. On December 31st, N+3, due to a sharp decline in market demand for the product produced by the production line, Dragon Company conducted a loss assessment of the production line. Dragon Company determined that the production line could be sold on the market for $170,000 and the disposal cost was $10,000. At this time, the production line is estimated to be used for another 4 years with a net cash flow recoverable from the production line each year of $54,000. On December 31st, N+3, Dragon Company determined that the expected rate of return on investment from similar production lines on the market is 8% over 1 year. Determine recoverable amount. Solution. Estimated salvage value equals 0. Depreciable value equals $400,000. Original price, January 1st, N. December 31st, N+3, 4 years. Determine depreciation in 4 years equals $400,000 divide 8 multiplied by 4 equals $200,000. Remaining value, book value, equals $400,000 minus $200,000 equals $200,000. Reasonable value minus disposal cost equals $170,000 minus $10,000 equals $160,000. The current value of the line is the net cash flow in 4 years. Each year is $54,000 with a discount rate of 8% over 1 year. Value in use equals $54,000 multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 0.08 power of minus 4. Divide 0.08 equals $54,000 multiplied by 3.3121 equals $178,853. Recoverable value equals max, $178,853, $160,000, equals $178,853 less than $200,000. Impairment loss equals $200,000 minus $178,853 equals $21,147. Thank you for watching our channel. See you again in the next video.